wicked crew that we got to do it with, helping each other out, feeding off each other's energy. Oh God, that was scary.
Welcome to Grizzly and Bear Overland with Lee and Steffi. This is our Cape York series, and this episode is part 2 of the Old Telegraph Track adventures. So sit back, relax, while we take our vehicles into fairly deep river crossings. Day number 3 on the Old Tele Track. Here we go.
Good morning and welcome to the beautiful Cockatoo Creek, where we spent night number 2 on the Old Telegraph Track. We're learning to stop early. If you want to get the good camps like what we got last night right on the banks of the Cockatoo Creek, it's nice to stop at 2 or 3, and usually you're having big days. Like yesterday was so intense. I think we drove 21 kilometers, but it doesn't matter, we're not in a rush. Other than the scenery, the off-road, the challenging trails obviously are quite amazing, but it's been the camaraderie, the team spirit. We started this track, our whole Cape York adventure, completely solo. It's not often we team up in convoys, but for this one I think it's quite important. Definitely something I wouldn't want to do completely alone. You know, you got the deep water crossings, you've got all these challenges, and yeah, we just met the most fantastic crew. We're hanging out now with Charles, Piers, Sammy and Benny, and it's just been incredible since the beginning. You know, we met Sammy and Benny right at the start, give them a hand to winch out of the Palm Creek exit. We've just stuck together, you know, it's just a bit of an unspoken thing. All right, we're a team now, you know, we're heading to the end, start together, finish together.
Radio check.
Always happy when the Land Rover starts in the morning.
Absolutely.
Just completed the south part of the Old Telegraph Track. We're gonna push on and do the north pass. We took a little detour to check out Fruit Bat Falls.
The sweetest red cheese I'd ever seen. You stand beside me in every dream. Angel goddess, you cover them all. Say, what can I do to get you to fall for someone like me? I'd say I'm settled. Storm in the storm. Not me, then someone like me that knows what to do, how to take care of you, but most of all, that deserves you.
Ben's just tying up his fan. We'll be coming shortly. We've got a lot of deep water crossings ahead of us. Now this little gadget here is very fancy. It's Defender specific, screws straight into our grill. Now this orange section here, it drops down and it will block the water from rushing through and damaging your prop blades in there, your plastic fan blades I should say. And it's also got a bit of mesh on the front there as well that helps to keep a little bit of dust but also the bugs out of your radiator. So thank you very much, Madeline, really appreciate that. Madeline is the owner of that lovely 90 Defender lady in a Landy, and it's a boomerang. I know, don't get stuck in front of the Defenders.
Yeah, we'll get out of the way.
Couldn't be a 2016 or a bloody 1980, doesn't matter, we're all getting wet feet.
That's it.
On our way, we bumped into a team who decided to do the track north to south to avoid the horrible corrugations on the main road.
Didn't worry about later.
That's what we have to do. Go up there and turn around.
Oh, that car with the big handle.
Good job.
Yeah, you can do it. There's a lot of stealth there, isn't there?
Johnny boy, put your hat back on. Now you're out there on your own. Johnny boy, you got a one-way ticket to ride, going south to find a home. Yeah, where hummingbirds are flying in the sky, dreams are coming true. A magic place where you can count the stars. Just lay down in the middle of the night, look up to the sky. Tennessee skyline.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Now straight. Yeah.
Not hard. Skips a beat anyway.
This coming up river crossing is gnarly. It is super long and super deep,
You must stand down.
but there is no choice.
Might wait a little bit, let it settle, and then here's what it is.
Yeah, that's right.
Feeling confident?
Yeah, easy.
Not bad, just sort of splashed up in there.
Oh my god. That's it. Okay, here we go.
Oh God, that was scary. Did you know Defenders have really bad door seals? Look at this. Oh God, lucky we took that subwoofer out.
How was it?
Oh, I don't know. I hope my car's okay. I was swimming. I was definitely swimming.
Yeah, give this. I'm going to give mine a bit of a blast with the compressor, try and dry it out a bit.
Yeah.
We decided to stop after this major river crossing. It was already 4:30. We thought, nah, just stop here and set up camp and enjoy and relax. It's hard to say. Piers's air filter drying on the barbecue. This is day number 4 on the track. We've got 5K to Nolensbrook, a deep river crossing.
Although not as long as Logan's Ford, Nolensbrook can be quite intimidating. It's a famous deep water crossing, with often a big audience hoping to see some action.
My first time staying in the car while we're doing this big river crossing. Oh, it's funny noise. That's a lot of water.
Bit of a funny feeling, the anticipation of, well, months, you know, months of waiting to do this, the Cape York trip in general, but especially the Old Telegraph Track. A little bit strange feeling that it's over, but also a little bit of a feeling of relief. We got through, minor incidents along the way, yeah.
Oh,
I've only got one per couple, I'm sorry. So we have to share.
A couple now, finally.
Yeah, you guys, yeah, it's official.
Thank you.
I put them in the freezer early this morning. I was like, I don't care what time it is. If we all get across Nolan's, we're going to crack this. Cheers to the Old Telegraph Track.
Hey. Nice
Big
one.
effort. What a team. Yeah, honestly, guys, can't thank you all enough. Like, it was unbelievable. Incredible experience. And
Thank you for your energy.
honestly,
Thank you.
I can't believe I nearly turned back yesterday.
How about the cameraman? She feeling good?
Yeah.
Running around
Really?
all over the place.
Falling and slipping. And
Forgetting to press record.
I forgive you already. It's all right. Only because we were saved by Mr. Piers.
So by me.
I think we're going to do a pub lunch today.
Yeah, I think we're on the same boat.
Mm-hmm. Almost the end of the Old Telegraph Track. Now we're going to scoot along. We'll take a turn off, which takes us to the Jardine Ferry. And that's the only way that you can reach the tip of Queensland, of Australia, the most northern point.
Just got the tickets for the ferry, $110 return. Well, we hope you enjoyed our shared experience of the Old Telegraph Track. We will see you next week. Until then, take care. Bye bye.